Hello Sudoku friends, welcome back with the third Sudoku in this edition of today's newspaper on Friday, June the 26th, 2020. The third Sudoku is a Sudoku with 4 stars, and before I start, I want to count the printed numbers in this puzzle. So here we have 3 numbers, plus 4 7, 8, plus 4 is 12, plus 3 is 15, plus 2 is 17, plus 3 is 20, 21, 24. This Sudoku is with 24 printed numbers. Alright, I expected that 24 because 25 will be a 3-star Sudoku, 26 a 2-star Sudoku, 27 1-star. Alright, so let's get started. Alright, in the middle row we have 5 missing numbers. 2 of those missing numbers are the 7 and the 5. We have a 7 and a 5 here. So no 7 and a 5 in these 3 boxes. So the 7 and 5 goes in those 2 boxes. We have a 5 here, so no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 7 goes there. Then we have a 6 in this row. 6 in the middle row, so on the row above. The only 2 places for the 6 should be here or there. I see here 6, no 6 there. 6 should be here. In the second row, we have 5 missing numbers. 5 missing numbers. One of the missing number is a 6. We have a 6 here in this big square, so no 6 in these 2 boxes. So the 6 could be here, here, or there, but I see here 6, no 6 there. Here 6, no 6 there. The only place for the 6 should be there. Then how about 4 in the first row, 4 in the second row, so in the third row. The only 2 places for the 4 here or there, but I see here 4. No 4 there. 4 should be here. 3 in the third column. 3 in the second column. So in the first column, the only 2 places for the 3 here or there, but I see here 3. No 3 there. 3 should be here. 2. Alright. How about the number 1 in this row, 1 in the last row, so the row between. The only place for the 1 should be there. 5, 4. We have 6 missing numbers in this row. One of the missing numbers is a 5. We see here 5 in this big square, so no 5 in these 3 boxes. So the 5 could be here, here, or there, but I see here 5, no 5 there. Here 5, no 5 there. The only place for the 5 should be there. And now yes, in this big square, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is a 1. We see here 1, so no 1 in these 3 boxes. So the 1 could be here or could be there. We see here 1, so no 1 there. 1 should be here. 1 in this column. 1 in the middle column. So the column next. The only place for the 1 should be there. 1 in this row, 1 in the third row, so the row between. The only 2 places for the 1 here or there, but I see here 1, no 1 there, 1 should be here. In the middle row, we have 3 missing numbers. 1 of the missing numbers are 1. We see here 1, so no 1 there. Here also 1, no 1 there. The only place for the 1 should be there. 1 in the first column, 1 in the second column, so in the third column, the only 2 places for the 1 here or there, but I see here 1, no 1 there, 1 should be here. And all the ones are used, I can see. Yes, alright. How about the number? Let me see. 3 missing numbers in the middle big square. One of the missing numbers is a 3. We see here 3. No 3 in those 2 boxes. 1 box left for the 3 should be there. These 2 numbers are the numbers 2 and 9. I cannot fill this yet. Need to wait for more information. 2 and a 9. Yeah. 8, 8. How about 2 and the 8 are missing here. I think I need to mark some boxes. 2 and the 8. 4, 4, 4. 4, 3 and the 9. Yes, this big square. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is 5. We see here 5, no 5 in these 3 boxes. There are 5, no 5 in those 2 boxes. So the 5 could be here or could be there. So in the first row, we have a 5 in one of those 2 boxes. In the third row, we have a 5 over there. So in the row between the second row, the only 2 places for the 5 here or there. I see here 5, no 5 there. 5 should be here. 5 in the first column, 5 in the second column. So in the third column, the only place for the 5 should be here. Then I cannot continue with the 5. How about these 2 numbers? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. The 8 and the 9 are missing. 8 and the 9. 8 and the 9. 9 and the 2. Let me see. 5, 8, 8. We need a 2 and a 7. 1, 2, 4. 4 should be here. 2, 4, and the 8. 2 should be here also. 2. Not easy, this one. It's also a 4 star, so Let me think. 2, 3. Yes, 3 in this row, 3 in the middle row. So on the row above, the only place for the 3 should be there. Two numbers left. 2 and the 9. We have a 9 here, so no 9 there. 9 should be here, and the 2 goes there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and the 8. I think I need to mark them. 7 and the 8. 1 box left in this big square for the number 2. Here we have the 2 and the 8 in the middle row. I mark them. These two numbers are the numbers 4 and the 9. We have a 9 here, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and the 4 goes there. Then these two numbers, 9 and 9 and 8, 9 and 8, 9 and 8. In this big square, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is 9. We see here 9, so no 9 in these 3 boxes. There 9, no 9 in those 2 boxes. So the 9 could be here or could be there. So we have a 9 in the 3rd column, a 9 in one of those 2 boxes in the 2nd column. So in the 1st column, the only place for the 9 should be there. So we have a 9 here, so this should be an 8. 2 numbers left, the 8 and the 2 are missing. 8 and the 2, I marked them. 8 and the 2. This should be 2 boxes left in the 1st column, the 8 and the 7. We have an 8 here, so no 8 there. 8 should be here, and the 7 goes there. 1 number left in this big square for the number 7. Then 8, 2 and 4. Here we have a 4 also. The 2 goes there. 3, 3. Yes, this row, 4 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is 3. We see here 3 in this big square, so no 3 in those 2 boxes. So the 3 could be here or could be there. We see here 3, no 3 there. 3 should be here. These 3 numbers, 2, 4, and 6. 2, 4, 6. We have a 4 here, no 4 there. Here 4, no 4 there. The only place for the 4 should be there. The 2 and the 6 are left. No, I cannot fill this yet. This should be an 8 and a 2. These 2 and a 6. 4, yes. 8, 8. Yes, in this big square, 4 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is an 8. We see here an 8, so no 8 in these 2 boxes. So the 8 could be here or could be there. So in the 1st row, we have an 8 in one of those 2 boxes. In the 2nd row, we have an 8 over there. So in the 3rd row, the only place for the 8 should be there. 1 number left in this big square for the number 2. One number left in this third column for the number 8. 3 missing numbers, the 2, the 6, and the 9. I cannot fill this yet, need to wait.